Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. I'm looking at the daily time frame chart with Japanese candlesticks. So what's happened just recently? On the October 10th, we got the local low at the level of 59,100, and since then we move over 17% towards the level of 69,358, and this is the top of the recent movement. So we got 17% over 17% movement to the upside, and now we ended yesterday with this big red candle, and it looks like the complete bearish engulfing pattern, which is informing us that something is about to change, and this something is of course the trend, the prevailing trend, and the trend is to the upside. So we got bearish engulfing pattern into the extremely oversold conditions, spot on, extremely over bad condition, of course. We hit the level of 70 points, and now we're coming off, which is completely perfectly normal reaction of the market, completely normal. So definitely we should mark the last swing high, 69,812, and we will mark it as the technical resistance. If we zoom out, we can see if there's any other one soon. Yes, there is one more market, one more level for this market, and this level is 71,820. Is there anything else? Yeah, there's the last one, which is located at 73,550. So as you can see from this recent recent high here to the top, all-time high is less than, I guess, 6% already. So we are very, very high, and we are making this advantage to the upside, this upside wave, in a very nice progression in a very short time as well. So now is the time to do some kind of a pullback, to do some kind of a correction. So where do we have the support? Obviously, our support is 66,440. This is the nearest technical support that was violated and tested, and the second one might be of course treated, and the previous swing high must be treated as the second technical support, 64,769, which was almost tested during the last breakout. So it looks like we might now have the ABC correction to the downside on the Bitcoin, and when this correction is done, the market is ready to continue the up trend. If we place a trend line here, just an additional tool that we can use in our technical analysis, of course we can make it orange as usual. We can say that as long as we trade above this trend line, the market remains bullish, the trend remains bullish, and the situation here is that if we take a look at the last correction, which was apparently minus 11%, so any correction that is minus 11% would likely invalidate our bullish outlook and switch it to the bearish, because then we will have the overbalance of price and time. So the correction to the downside will be bigger than the previous correction, and that would mean we should search for another scenario for our analysis. For now, everything looks bullish. We are waiting for the pullback to complete, and then the market will be ready to continue the upside movement towards 73,550 ultimately. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.